E program lo emioga ne sayanga unapugan ne peta ikari unika uralo skine ta ikeuna ichurusa kalo edite idumune. Konye ikari uni ageune kopara taremeda una kisirigini lu. E pikolu ipuaeta cheneda e balare minister haruna kasolo ebe. Mame chamunia ya kakena pak na ela pediope lo adaunesi ya itutu.
I've waited for over 24 months. So let them start paying back. If they want to get the second loan, let them pay back and then they can apply for the second loan. Yeah. So even if you extend for 6 months, they again stubborn people not pay back. So we better enforce this immediately.
District analui puani oteso ka natari Uganda kere kesima misomato sejok konye kani oteso Eminista kasolo ne security district longora kano aswa mejoko neda bui shalamikina RDC angenas John Steven Ekom nepeka itimuke kano aichata limono kinitunga kwa ngina aitajisirigini lu.
Martin Akirokin, our regional coordinator from Yasped, but the other this also did a wonderful job because I was told that with PDM, some district officials had decided to walk away with all the money, and our wonderful RDC locked them up. They recovered, they paid back the money. So I want to encourage all other DCs in Uganda, all the leave from all other DC, because the cardinal role of other DCs is to monitor all government programs in the district. In a district where we have other DCs and DSOs, Emioga is not performing well, PDM is not performing well, other DC should be in a position to explain why.
Eminista lo eja iteso a mani ponelo itoso matari medauna kisiriginu lulu emioga nepeka lu pachi akora kinolu ka PDM nesabu imana ngadisha nuwa puga narebonate banks kanua itanyi kite medauna kaluka PDM ichan ay walana kino bank.
Much even if you know the history of this program, this person has the account in the bank. Banks must respect all the clients, all the people who have accounts with them, whether they are dirty, whether they are what, they are clients and they are customers and they are their bosses. So this business of undermining our PDM beneficiaries when they go to banks to receive money is unacceptable.
Apugan nesabuije kingoli grupu miliona kaise uniko to manapta no kaemioga ido grupu lo epedore atachakini sirigini unko mapak nesi epedore ba meda unko to mosirigini miliona kaisare lo ada president Aichurakin Godfrey Ojore TV East Soroti.